Have you ever felt like your safe harbor became the storm? If so, this is for you. Today, we're talking about the invisible wounds left by toxic relationships and how to heal. A toxic relationship isn't just arguments, it's a pattern that erodes your spirit, makes you question your reality, and leaves you feeling alone. It convinces you this is all you deserve, but that's a lie. Your story doesn't end here. This pain is just one chapter. Today, we begin a journey of healing 7 steps to transform your experience into strength. This is your first step toward a new beginning. Let's take it together. Step 1. Acknowledge what really happened. The hardest step, the one that requires the most courage, is to honestly acknowledge what you went through. To face the reality of the situation without flinching. Our minds soften painful memories, often blurring the edges to protect us. But healing can't start in denial. It needs the sharp clarity of truth. Give yourself permission to see your relationship clearly, to examine it with open eyes. No filters, no excuses. Strip away the justifications and see it for what it was. Notice the moments you felt small, insignificant, or unseen, unheard, or doubted your reality. When your voice was silenced and your perceptions questioned. This isn't about blaming. It's about validating your experience, recognizing the impact it had on you. Your feelings are valid, every single one of them. Articulate your truth, give voice to what you've been holding inside. Write it down, capture the details, the emotions, the turning points. Say it out loud, even if it's just to yourself in the mirror. Hear the words, acknowledge their power, or share it with someone you trust. A safe space where you can be heard and understood. Acknowledging the toxicity doesn't erase the good memories, the moments of joy or connection. Both can be true. The relationship can have had both light and shadow. Holding these truths makes you human, not weak. It demonstrates your capacity for complexity and understanding. Let go of minimizing your pain or protecting their image. Release the need to defend or explain. Your only responsibility now is to your own healing, to nurture yourself and prioritize your well-being. This honest reflection is the ground on which you'll rebuild, the solid foundation for a healthier future. It's the most profound act of self-respect you can offer yourself. A testament to your strength and resilience. Step 2. Go no contact or low contact if necessary. After facing the truth, acknowledging the reality of the situation, and understanding the impact it has had on you, the next crucial step is creating space, a safe haven for your emotions and well-being. This is often achieved by going no contact. Cut off all communication entirely, no calls, no texts, absolutely nothing. No emails, no social media checks, no lurking, no exceptions. Every interaction, no matter how small, reopens the wound and keeps you stuck in the past, preventing you from moving forward. Remember, no contact isn't a punishment you're inflicting on someone else. It's protection for yourself, a shield against further emotional harm. If complete no contact simply isn't possible due to shared responsibilities or other unavoidable circumstances, then go low contact. Keep communication minimal, factual, strictly business, and only about the absolute essentials. This is your sacred space, your sanctuary. A space to heal, to reflect, and to rediscover yourself, your passions, and your worth. It will undoubtedly be hard at first. The urge to reach out will be strong, but each day you honor this boundary. Each moment you resist the urge, your strength grows exponentially. This space, this boundary, is where your healing truly takes root and begins to flourish. True closure, lasting peace, comes from within, from your own understanding and acceptance, not from one last conversation, one final attempt to get answers that may never come. You're not being cruel or unfair. You're choosing yourself, your well-being, and your future. Build a fortress of boundaries around your heart and mind, protect your energy, and guard your peace. In this quiet solitude, you'll remember who you truly are, beyond the relationship, beyond the pain. Your peace and clarity will gradually return, stronger and more resilient than before. Step 3. Grieve without shame. After creating space, grief will come, and that's essential. You're grieving the loss of a dream, a future, and the person you hoped they'd be. Society rushes us through grief, but healing has no timeline. Give yourself permission to feel everything: anger, sadness, confusion, loneliness. These emotions are proof you loved and hoped. Let yourself cry, write, move. Let the feelings flow through you. Grieve the parts of yourself you lost: confidence, joy, trust. This isn't about regret, but about acknowledging the impact so you can reclaim yourself. Release any shame about your pain. Grief isn't linear, it's a spiral. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. You're processing real trauma, your heart needs time and kindness. There's no right way to grieve, just your way. Step 4. Reflect on the patterns. As grief subsides, turn inward, not to blame, but to empower yourself. Reflect on the patterns that allowed the toxic dynamic to take hold. Notice early red or pink flags, overwhelming affection, boundary testing, excuses you made. Write them down to see patterns clearly. Ask yourself, what was I seeking? What needs or wounds made me vulnerable? Understanding your why is the root of real change. This reflection transforms pain into wisdom and equips you for healthier choices. You're learning to trust your intuition again. Step 5. Rebuild your self-worth. Toxic relationships can be incredibly damaging, often chipping away at your sense of self. They steal your self-worth, leaving you feeling empty and questioning your value. It's a subtle erosion that can leave you feeling lost. But remember, that worth was never truly lost, just buried beneath layers of negativity and doubt. It's still there, waiting to be rediscovered and nurtured back to life. Like a seed buried deep, it needs care to sprout. Start with small, intentional acts of self-care. These are the first steps on your journey to recovery. Cook a nourishing meal for yourself, focusing on the flavors and the act of creation. Take a walk in nature, breathing in the fresh air and connecting with the beauty around you. Let the tranquility soothe your soul. Tidy your space, creating a calm and organized environment that reflects your inner desire for peace. These actions, however small, remind you, I am valuable and worthy of kindness, love, and respect. You deserve to treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. Reconnect with passions you set aside, those activities that once brought you joy and fulfillment. Paint, dance, read, play music. Engage in activities that make you feel alive and connected to yourself. Rediscover who you are outside the relationship, independent and whole. Change your inner voice. Practice affirmations like, I am strong, I am enough, replacing negative self-talk with positive and empowering statements. It may feel awkward at first, but you're rewiring your brain, creating new neural pathways that support self-belief and confidence. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who see your value and remind you of your strengths, and reflect your worth back to you, showing you the amazing person you truly are. Their support is a mirror for your strengths, reflecting back the qualities you may have forgotten you possessed. Rebuilding self-worth is a daily practice, a journey, not a destination. Small choices add up, creating a foundation of self-love and respect. Over time, with consistent effort and self-compassion, you'll believe in your value again. You are deserving of love and respect, not just from others, but most importantly, from yourself. This is the foundation of your new life, a life built on self-worth, resilience, and unwavering belief in yourself. Step 6. Reconnect with your power. Toxic relationships make you doubt your power. Healing means reclaiming it. Start with small decisions: what to eat, where to go, what to watch. Each choice is an act of reclamation. Re-establish boundaries everywhere, in love, family, work. Saying no to others is saying yes to yourself. Set a personal goal: fitness, learning, creativity, just for you. This shifts your focus from what you lost to what you're building. Move from victim to creator. You decide what happens next. You're no longer defined by your past, but by your choices now. This is your transformation. Step 7. Stay open to healthy love. After a toxic relationship, it's tempting to close your heart, but that keeps out joy too. The final step is staying open to healthy love. Take time to heal and become whole on your own. Observe healthy relationships around you. Let them be your new blueprint. When ready, approach new connections with curiosity, not fear. Your wisdom is now a filter, not a wall. Embracing future love is a declaration. Your past doesn't dictate your future. You deserve authentic, healthy connection. These 7 steps are a practice, not a race. There will be good days and hard days. Offer yourself grace. Your scars are proof of your resilience and wisdom. You are not broken. You are more whole than ever. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, be kind to yourself.